I got someone over here at H. Alright, he's down, he's down.
Okay.
Alright, let's go for G. Move for G, move for G.
I don't know where this other dude went.
That's fine. I'm coming out above you.
Careful.
Alright, oops, I think I hit you.
That's fine. It tickled.
Okay, fine.
Okay, so I did do a lot of damage to it.
Alright, we're holding the inside ones.
There's that. Okay, I think they blew up my car. Yes, they did.
Shit, he's up here. I'm gonna die. Or not. Wow! Nice save, Dave Star. Woo! Who are you shooting at?
Left.
Oh, got him.
I've got extended mags.
Did you get him?
Nope. I'm really making them really annoyed though. It's probably gonna suck for me.
Oh wow, nice job.
I didn't think that would work. I was just using the shotgun method.
Yeah, well,
It worked!
yeah.